This is Thomas. He's a cheeky little engine with 6 small wheels, a short stumpy funnel, a short stumpy boiler, and a short stumpy dome. Okay, man, sheesh. Dang, you don't have to call out my dome. At least I don't have a short stumpy dick. It was another beautiful day on Adventure Island. Newly rebuilt, actually, after the last incident with Percy. I mean Diesel. And Thomas was just huffing and puffing happily along his branch line. He loved working on his branch line with his 2 faithful coaches, Annie and Joe. And next to there was an empty field where Terrence is supposed to be. What's that? We don't have Terrence yet? Dang.
Good morning, Thomas.
Good morning. I was stuck on the hill again, I see, Gordon.
It's no different, Thomas. It's every day with this.
Well, it's not my fault. It's the coach's fault. They're too
Soon, Thomas arrived at Random Docks to drop off his passengers.
At Brandon Docks, the biggest crane there was Cranky, who didn't really like the steam engines all too much. What's up, Tiny Thomas?
Cranky, I told you not to call me Tiny Thomas anymore, even though it is just a nickname. But anyway, I'm here to drop off some passengers.
Some passengers? Already? Oh, there's a lot of tourists coming in after the place was rebuilt, isn't there?
Yup, and I have to get back to it. See ya, Cranky.
Thomas soon arrived at the station. Last stop before he took the rest of the show.
Hello, Thomas. How about a race? Nah, no thank you, Birdie. Not right now. I guess that means I win.
I freaking hate that guy.
That's when Boko pulled up right beside him.
Hello, Thomas.
Oh, hey, Boko. Hey, did you just come from the docks?
Why, yes.
Did you see Salty at the docks? I haven't really seen him lately.
I think he's still at the diesel works after Cranky dropped coal in his pipes.
Jeez, Cranky seems a lot more clumsy than he was before.
Well, he's still adjusting to the new docks. You just need to give him some time.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Well, I must be on my way. Gotta go rest at the sheds now. Later, Boko.
Goodbye, Thomas. Oh dear, I forgot to tell him about the green diesel fuel story.
At the crossing, Thomas met Toby and Bruno. Well, hello there, Thomas. Isn't it glad that there's another episode of this? Okay, Toby. We did not need that in the first episode. Oh, hey, Bruno.
Hello, Thomas. How are you today? What are you doing?
Just working on the branch line as usual. I'm actually on my way to the sheds right now to get some rest. You youngins and rest. Back when I was a young tram engine, I barely needed rest at all. You should have seen me, Thomas. I barely took any breaks at all whatsoever. Anyway, come on, Bruno. We gotta go find Henrietta. He's in the works being mental.
Bye, Thomas.
See you later, Bruno.
Back at Adventure Shores.
Hey babe, how was work?
It was good. I don't know.
What's wrong?
Well, you see, Rosie, ever since the island got rebuilt, I just haven't really gotten used to it yet. Then again, it was kind of my fault, just to be frank with you. Percy, we've been over this. It is not your fault. I keep telling you this. I still feel some guilt, you know.
Thomas, it's hard for people to get used to change. It's not easy, but you'll come around to it.
You're right, Rosie. I guess I have to... Wait, is that who I think it is?
Is that James?
I already know what you guys are gonna ask. And no, I did not run into some tar tankers on my way over here. I mean, that's kind of not what we were going to ask, but what happened to you? When I was at the docks, I was arguing with Cranky about my paintwork being too splendid for the ocean and how it shines through. Cranky got tired of it, and when he had the chance, he dropped a whole freaking tar tanker on my body. So that's why I look like this now instead of my shiny red paint. Oh. Well, why didn't you just go to the wash down? Oh, trust me. I've tried.
What actually happened though?
I'll tell you what happened. Gordon is what happened. I'm telling you, when I went to the washdown, they told me they were out of water. Why? I don't know. Maybe because Gordon cleaned all of his coaches, emptying the water tank. Jeez, I didn't know Gordon's coaches could waste all that much water after being cleaned. Yeah, it really makes you wonder, what matters more, an engine or coaches? Stupid, I just wasted all the water while cleaning his stupid coaches. Well, that just happened. So what now? Well, I was gonna take Rosie to go see the Barbie movie for date night.
And this is why I love you, Thomas.
I know, Rosie. Come on, let's go. Well, I guess you could say we're back on track. Oh, shh.